Welcome back to Great Day. Ooh, I love me some Creole cooking. And the next time you get that sudden craving for a taste of New Orleans, head over to the City Foundry and check out Four Hens Creole Kitchen. This is the newest restaurant to open at the Food Hall in Midtown, and we are so excited to have both the owners, Brandy and Brittany, with us on Great Day this morning. Welcome, ladies.
Good morning.
You have to be excited. We're excited for you.
Super excited.
Yes,
This is so fun. So, tell us about how this all started and where the idea came from.
Two friends, we were both living in different places. We were in Chicago, they were in California, and we were hanging out at dinner in Chicago, and we were like, let's open up a restaurant.
That's just some dinner topic.
Yeah,
dinner chat.
It was with 3 kids, and I was pregnant at the time, so we decided that we wanted to open up a restaurant. So we went ahead and started things out and decided.
Why Creole?
Actually, it's because of St. Louis's roots to Creole food. We were going to start with brunch and lunch and decided to do things a little bit different and do dinner and lunch service instead, and wanted to give St. Louis a little bit of what it already loves.
All right, I want to let you get going because you're obviously on an agenda here. What are we making?
Yes, we are going to make our slap and shrimp today, which is one of our appetizers on our menu.
You know, one of the things that I find about any dish with shrimp is you better be ready to go when you start the cooking because it doesn't take long.
It does not, which is the beauty of shrimp, and that is why we get to cook our food at our restaurant fresh to order. Everything is made to order when you order it. You're not going to worry about your fries sitting up there cold or you getting some old chicken. Everything is fresh to order at our restaurant.
And it's going to happen fast.
Yes, exactly. Exactly.
All right, while you're cooking, can you tell us, maybe you can tell us about some of the stuff that's going on out here.
Sure. So we've got starters as our Creole toast, French fried green tomatoes. We've got our Creole ranch here for dipping, and then our dirty mustard. Also our chicken darlings, which are sauteed chicken. Down and dirty salad is served also with the dirty mustard. The swamp thing, topped with andouille sausage for all those hearty dishes. And then to finish it off with our bread pudding.
You gotta have the bread pudding.
Yep.
Man, that's so good.
Yeah.
What are we just had some Creole spices with the shrimp.
Yes, so this is actually our slap and shrimp spice. We at Four Hens have our own spice blend that we created that we have. So yes, this is our slap and shrimp spice right here. And we're just gonna serve these up here in a second.
That's it? That's all that it took?
Yes, that's all it takes.
Awesome.
Simple ingredients, simple flavors.
Lunch
but,
and dinner, right?
Lunch and dinner, and on the weekends we will be offering brunch. So Sundays we open at 10.
Two busy moms have a brand new place at the food court. I call it the food court. Because
It's the food hall.
It's at the food hall.
Yes.
Yeah, and you can find this segment following the show at KMOV.com/greatday. Just the smell alone, right? Am I right? Is it drifted over there?
It has. And it looks so good too, especially the view we had from the top looking down at everything.
But I do think, like she said, when you're talking about a lunch, that you can go up and order something and it's cooked fresh because this is a fast, quick to make.
And you guys talked about how big Creole food is in St. Louis. But there aren't a lot of options.
Yes.
So I love that this is in the city now. And
There's another one.
Yes.
I'm excited.
We are giving you another option.
Look at all those little dead soldiers all lined up and ready to go.
I'm ready for it.
That looks so good.
Served with our remoulade.
It looks good,
And a little
ladies.
dipping sauce.
And there we go.
Good luck, you guys.
Thanks so much.
Thank you so very
much
much.
for coming in.